So, talking about embracing oral cholera vaccine, the shifting response to cholera. Cholera is an infection of the small intestine by some strains of bacterium Vibrio cholerae, causing symptoms in large amounts of watery diarrhea that last a few days, vomiting, and muscle cramps may also occur. This may result in sunken eyes, cold skin, decreased skin elasticity, and wrinkling of the hand and feet. Here's a bit about the story of cholera. I'm not gonna play it. So, the epidemiology, more than 90% of reported cases occur in Africa and most of the remainder occur in southern Asia. In 2010, only 10 months after it was hit by a major earthquake, Haiti experienced the most severe cholera epidemic of the past century. Here is a bit about the cholera epidemiology. So, what are the WASH measures? They are basically water, sanitation, and hygiene. These was measures were combined with this is the oral cholera vaccine. There are three formulations. Two of them, Ducoral and Sancol, have been pre-qualified by the World Health Organization for purchase by the United Nations agencies, and the third one is the MORCVAX, licensed and produced exclusively in Vietnam. Is about a bit about the oral cholera vaccine arriving to IT. So at T control, they combine this oral cholera vaccine with the WASH measures to control the outbreaks. Uh, we have the new World Health Organization policy and promotes oral cholera vaccine use in outbreaks worldwide. During the past 3 years, more than 1.6 million doses of Sancol have been administered in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. A remaining challenge to oral OCV implementation was the lack of field evidence for its effectiveness early in the epidemic. So we need more doses because although the global stockpile of Sankol is growing, the WHO has 2 million doses, and the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization has pledged support for 20 million doses for over the next 5 years. The world will need millions more doses, moreover, many questions remain. So, what are these questions? Can the OCB be stored at a room temperature so that the cold change requirement can be bypassed? And the can sample be used in pregnancy and children younger than 1 year of age. So, talking about cholera in Ecuador, on May 25 of 2016, there was the last outbreak of cholera. The patient had 57 years old and lived in Machala, El Oro. It was confirmed by the National Institute of Public Health and Research, called INSPI. So here, cholera was virtually eradicated. The worst pandemic was recorded in 1991. Then 2000 to 40 people contracted the bacterium Vibrio cholerae, which is the cause of the disease and quickly spread in most cities. Only in that year there were 46,000 confirmed cases and 500 deaths. In conclusion, since 2010, some major obstacles preventing the use of OCV have been overcome. Sancol, the cheapest and easiest to administer vaccine, is being stockpiled. OCV has been used in 13 countries of three continents: Asia, Africa, North American, Caribbean, and in 3 risk settings.